Monitoring extreme temperature conditions for some organizations is critical. Making sure vaccines are stored in the correct temperature ranges, ensuring research lab freezers and refrigerators maintain constant temperatures, or keeping manufacturing equipment temperatures steady are absolutely vital. The Digital Extreme Temperature Sensor from AVTECH provides accurate temperature monitoring from -328 degrees all the way up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit when paired with a Room Alert environment monitor. Simply connect the Digital Extreme Temperature Sensor to an open port on your Room Alert monitor. Insert the sensor probe in the equipment or area you need monitored and set your temperature range conditions. Your Room Alert monitor will notify you via text message, email, and more the moment your temperature conditions move outside of the exact ranges you set for your unique specifications. Use the Digital Extreme Temperature Sensor to notify you if the freezers you are storing vaccine and medicine in grow too warm, or if the equipment you need in your manufacturing plant cools down too quickly or starts overheating. Room Alert is helping protect pharma research labs across the world from costly loss and downtime, and the Digital Extreme Temperature Sensor helps to make sure your cold storage remains in the temperature ranges you need. For more information about how Room Alert and the Digital Extreme Temperature Sensor can keep your facilities protected, please contact us at avtech.com or reach out to your favorite AVTECH reseller today.